The Breville Bambino Plus is one of the best espresso machines for beginners we've ever tested. Its user-friendly design is ideal for beginners and pros alike. The Breville Bambino Plus is a compact espresso machine that pulls great espresso shots, has an automatic steam wand, and is loaded with user-friendly features. The Breville Bambino Plus is a streamlined, high-performing, compact espresso machine that's well priced. For its numerous user-friendly features, it's a great option for beginners and experts alike. Pros: it's hard to overstate how truly great this espresso machine is. It pulls excellent shots of espresso whether you're a beginner or a pro. It has an automatic steam wand that creates microfoam for you, and it's extremely easy to use. On top of all of that, it's lightweight and compact and is priced on the lower end of the espresso machine scale. It's hard to know what else you could want. Cons: while its price point is more approachable than other espresso machines, it's still an expensive piece of equipment at $500, and you have to buy a grinder too. It also has a plastic body and isn't as heavy-duty as some other models we've tested. Still, for the price and all the included features, it's an incredible value that's hard to beat. Performance of Breville Bambino Plus. Setting up the Bambino Plus involves a fair bit of unboxing of the various accessories and rinsing the machine pipes before the first use, all of which is clearly explained in the supplied manual. After running a rinse cycle through the machine, we brewed our first shot of espresso using the 1-cup double-wall filter basket. This basket is suitable for ground coffee from a packet rather than freshly ground from beans. We used the tamper to compress the ground coffee in the filter before trimming off the excess grounds with the razor tool. After placing the filter basket into the portafilter and clicking it into place on the machine, we selected the 1-cup button. It took 21 seconds to brew a shot of espresso, and the coffee was wonderfully smooth with a fantastic thick crema on the top, and when we added sugar and gave the drink a stir, the crema formed again. While we were making the espresso, the machine averaged 53 decibels, which is similar to the sound of a hairdryer. Next on our testing agenda was to see how well the steam wand worked. We chose to opt for the medium texture setting on the Bambino Plus and the medium heat setting. We used the automatic setting and placed the milk jug on the sensor so that the machine would know when the milk had reached the desired temperature. The noise level when the steam wand was in action was even lower than when we were making espresso, reaching 51 decibels while the milk was frothing. When we added the milk to our coffee, it retained a velvety texture that lasted all the way down our drink as we sipped it. Once the steam wand has finished heating the milk, you simply need to lift up the jug, remove the wand, and give it a wipe. To help clear the pipes of milk residue, the wand automatically purges hot water into the drip tray when you put it back into the rest position, and this really does help to keep everything clean, although it does mean you need to give the drip tray a good clean after every use. The fact that the filter basket clips into the portafilter also helps with cleaning up, as when you go to empty the coffee grounds, the basket stays in place and doesn't fall into the bin. For our tests, we used the same good quality ground coffee that we've used to make hundreds of cups of coffee with a French press, but we found that the Bambino Plus surpassed our expectations and gave us a smoother and tastier cup of coffee. Note that you won't be able to grind beans with this machine as you can with Breville's pricier Oracle Touch machine. The Breville Bambino Plus doesn't have an auto switch-off function, which is a shame, but to switch it off you simply need to hold down 2 buttons at once. Overall, the machine is very easy to operate and cleaning is fairly easy. Should you buy the Breville Bambino Plus? If you already have a grinder that is capable of producing the superfine grinds required to make espresso, the Bambino Plus is a perfect companion that can produce good-tasting shots and decent steamed milk and foams, all for a reasonable price. If you're a novice in the espresso game, or you simply want a compact automatic machine that doesn't require a lot of your time or skill, this little machine that could is a great option. It's great for straight shots, lattes, mochas, and cappuccinos.